Everybody, welcome back to new tutorial video. In this video we are going to discuss about title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon display option, normal view, etc. Let's start. First open PowerPoint, then take blank slide from here. This is title bar. It shows your slide PowerPoint name. This is ribbon display option. There are three options. First is auto hide ribbon. In this tool and tabs and commands are hidden, so you have to click at the top of the application to show tabs. Second option is show tabs. In this only tabs are shown, commands are hidden. Third one is, and last, show tabs and command. So tabs and commands are shown all time. Their home, insert, design, transition, all are tabs, and options like slides, tables, images are command. Let's discuss this option. Tell me what you want to do. So shortcut for this, Alt plus Q. If you can't find anything in PowerPoint and you are new to PowerPoint, or we can say you are beginner, so you can find it here. So let's say example of icon. So it take time. For this you have to access of internet in this way. Take another example. I close it. Let's take example of chart. If you are not able to find chart in PowerPoint and you want to insert chart in your PowerPoint slide, so search it and click enter. So in this way you get it. Now this is quick access toolbar. Here the first option is undo. Let apply this. So here I am typing Nick, then I delete it, then I write PowerPoint. So if I want to go back to the Nick, so I use undo option. Shortcut for this is Control Z, Control plus Z. So I back to Nick. This is redo option, Control plus Z. If I want to go back to the PowerPoint or final stage, so this option will help us. Here you get all the actions you are taken. You can select any action directly. You can go on any action directly. Suppose I take example this typing. In this way you can apply it, undo and redo. Third is outline. So if I apply this, you get outline outside text. You can change color of outline, also make no outline, also increase weight of outline. There are a lot of options. We will discuss about it later in detail in coming lectures. This is Control plus F, Control plus S. This is to save your file. This is open. Now we discuss about customize access toolbar. You can also customize your access toolbar, quick access toolbar. If you want to add some new icons here, new options here, new button, you can add in this way. You have to click only quick access toolbar and click on it. So you can customize by yourself. This option is spelling error. This option will help you to finding errors. This slide number, this shows on which slide you are now. Notes, if you are presenting some slideshow in some meeting, then you can make your notes here. It will not visible to slideshow. You can also add comment if some employee of your company give you some PowerPoint slide, and if you want to want some edits, so you make some comments and send it to back. We will discuss about it later. This is normal view. You can change it by dragging that line into left. So this is another normal view. This is slideshow. We will discuss about in detail later. This is reading view. If you are reading in text, this is zoom option to increase or decrease the size of slide. This is fit slide to current window, so it will fit your slide to the current window. Now minimize option, to minimize the slide, it change the size of. Now last option is close, so don't save because I don't want to save it. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. I hope you are enjoying our video, and also join our Telegram channel.